5 TUL Tulsa weather. I think I copied KF5JFP out of Broken Arrow or Coweta, mentioning the impacts of hail there. If you could please advise the size of that hail as well as the cross streets, that would be appreciated. WX5 TUL Tulsa weather.
The cross streets are ultimately at the Oneida and Highway 51. I'm at 91st and 251st. Looks like my patio is being covered with pea-sized hail.
Alright, thank you for that report at Oneida and Highway 51 of pea-sized hail. This is WX5 TUL Tulsa weather. Of course, for the hail to reach severe criteria, that would be 1 inch or larger, but we appreciate all those reports. WX5
Guys on the skies and on the radar. This is KI5TAQ 73.
Thank you for sticking with us, KI5TAQ. Have a good one. KI5TUL Tulsa weather.
So, right at the moment, this area is under a tornado warning. That's Hughes County.
Tulsa weather, this is KC552 somewhat patient here near my reflectivity radar. It's like everything moved out. That cell comes to the Fairfax, dissipated up around somewhere out there around Bartlesville. So I'm going to secure my area.
Alright, thank you, KC5WQX. Copy. You are securing your station. WX5 TUL Tulsa weather. Time's 11:01.
So they do have a active skywarn net happening. Yeah, I'll let the weather get a little closer, and then I have to all cut it off. But yeah, I'm up on a JPO. That's what they call it, and or Jimpo, whatever the thing's called. It's a PO anyway, and the lightning gets too close, we could have problems.
This is WX5TUL, Tulsa weather at 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms continue to impact southeastern Rogers, northwestern McIntosh, southwestern Mays, Wagner, eastern Okmulgee, northwestern Muskogee, southeastern Tulsa, and southeastern Tusky counties. So this is a special weather statement through 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:04, Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms along the line extending from 4 miles northeast of Bonita to 3 miles north of Grayson, 2 miles west of Destin. Movement was northeast at 55. Primary hazards include wind gusts of 50 and penny-sized hail. Impacts could knock, gusty winds could knock down small tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations in or near the path of this special weather statement include Inola, Maisie, Dewar, Pierce, Schulter, Stonebrook, Shoto, Erin, Pryor Creek, Haskell, Leonard, Lake Eufaula State Park, Morris, Porter, Grayson, Wainwright, Tallahassee, Hoffman, Jamesville, and Pryor. This also includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 236 and 260, as well as Interstate 44 between mile markers 249 and 260. This is WX5TUL, Tulsa weather.
Tornado warning. Hughes, Atoka, and Cole. If you're in those areas, you need to take cover right now. Find shelter right now. If you're in Hughes, Atoka, and Cole, take shelter now. Tornado warning.
Go Savannah, I did away, K5ACU.
WX5TUL. I think I copied KC5JCX. Did you have a report for the net tonight?
Negative, I was on the wrong side of the band. Sorry about that. KC5JCX.
I said just a few minutes ago, if you are in Hughes, Atoka, and Cole, you need to be taking shelter right now. There's 2 active tornado warnings. That's who they're for.
Multiple Oklahoma. Stand by. I believe I copied KI5FYU out of Barnesville. This is WX5T all Copy that, Tulsa weather. Nothing big. Just a little rain down here in Bartlesville. We've been hearing there was something stirring up, some tornadoes or something. I was just jumping on here to double check and see if I needed to stay on this radio for a while. Help out. Well, we definitely appreciate the check-in. There is a tornado watch in effect over a large swath of eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas until 4 a.m. And that would include the Bartlesville area. However, the line of storms is currently more toward the east and south of you. We're monitoring some severe warnings that are just outside of our area and some special weather statements and things that are inside of our area. And of course, I say that, and we have a brand new announcement. So let me pull up that text and I'll read that here momentarily for a storm that is near eastern Broken Arrow, moving toward Inola and Shoto. One moment. National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rogers County, west central Maize County, and northwestern Wagner County until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm is located 6 miles northeast of Oneida, moving northeast at 55. Primary hazards include 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Pryor Creek, Pryor, Selma, and Inola. This also includes Interstate 44. Mile markers 250 and 261. And again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning from 11:09 p.m. until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. WX5TUL, Tulsa weather. Copy that. Thank you, WX5TUL. Appreciate that information. Need to do a couple of quick things here, then see if I can get a couple of questions I want to ask you. First, I need you to grab some pens. So here's FYU. I'll stand by. November 4, Victor Oscar Echo, I think I copied, out of Inola. Thank you for checking in. Be advised you do have a severe thunderstorm warning heading out your way at this time. So just keep an eye on that. Of course, let us know if you have any reports of severe weather or anything that meets the severe weather criteria. We have the WX5 UL Tulsa weather.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Grayson, moving. Include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Wainwright, Hoffman, Jamesville, Tejeda, Summit, Redbird, Council Hill, Boynton, Shelter, Urim, Haskell, Morris, Taft, Cosca, Grayson, Muskogee. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 244 and 251. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern, northeastern, and east central Oklahoma. This is N5QB repeater.
Redbird, Council Hill, Boynton, Shelter, Urim, Haskell, Morris, Taft, Cosca, Grayson, and Muskogee. Also includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 244 and 251. The Big 5T Well Tulsa weather time is 11:15.
Squeeze me. Excuse me anyway. Yeah. Yeah, it's weird thunderstorm warning there. Yeah, it's a severe thunderstorm warning. McIntosh, Muskogee, and Okmulgee. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McIntosh County and southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Widener County and northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Okmulgee County and northeastern Oklahoma, Oklahoma, northwestern Muskogee County, and east central Oklahoma.
When did you see it and what was it doing? This is WX5TUL Tulsa weather.
11:12 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Grayson, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. 60 mile per hour wind gust. Radar indicated expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. So the good news right at the moment looks like the only tornado warning right now is Atoka and Cole. So if you're still down in the Atoka and Cole area, you need to be taking cover right now. Uh-oh. That lineman's about to get too close for me to have my radio hooked up. His live is fixing the end if it gets any closer.
Alright, thank you very much for that report. Copy that as NIL. Are you able to give me any cross streets at your location? I'm located directly north of Inola Hill, about 25.
Might be fixing the corner.
The street being 4225 there due north of Inola Hill and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and no hail. Thank you very much. W5TUL, all the weather. WX5TUL, Kilo Echo 5, Mike Oscar Foxtrot. Lab station calling, and the Mike Echo Foxtrot, please come to the call sign and your traffic. Thank you. Kilo Echo 5, Mike Oscar Foxtrot. I was in on the count in Brookside. I've relocated to Washington County near Vera. I'm monitoring.
It's distant. It's still off at distance.
Okay, roger that. Copy. You are monitoring now in Vera, Washington County. KE5MOS, this is WX5TUL. All the weather. Thank you, sir.
5QB repeater.